Hello! Today we're showing you this custom garbage enclosure made by Art Metal Workshop. This enclosure is built from powder-coated steel, giving it a strong structure and a clean, modern finish that fits nicely into the outdoor landscaping. The front doors are made for easy access when removing or moving the bins, while the top-loading lids make everyday use simple and convenient. Instead of opening the full enclosure each time, garbage or recycling can be placed in from the top, helping keep the area cleaner and easier to manage. The horizontal slat design gives the enclosure a neat finished look while still allowing airflow around the bins. Each garbage enclosure can be custom-made to fit the space, bin layout, and property design. For custom garbage enclosures, metal gates, and outdoor steelwork, contact Art Metal Workshop in Toronto, Ontario.